Hello students, welcome to the Maths video lecture e-learning by Jaini Shah. We are going with the chapter squares and square root. Previously you have seen that how can a square root be found with the help of prime factorization method. But this method can be used only when the numbers of digits are small. What if the numbers of digits are quite a large number, bigger number? Then it is a very tedious method to use prime factorization method. So now we are going to learn a new technique to find the square roots of bigger numbers, that is long division method. Let's see. In the long division method, to find the square roots, here you have to be very keen while understanding this, because this division method and the simple regular division method has a lot of difference and they both are very different from each other. So let us start with the first sum. The first sum is to find 9801 square root with the help of long division method. In this method, the first thing you will do is divide the numbers into groups. Here it is square. Square means twice. So you will divide the number in the groups of 2 from the units digit place. So this is our first group. This is our second group. 01 and 98. You can see over here 01 and 98 are two separate groups. Now here you will divide according to the number in terms of square. So the first digit you will take is 1 1 za, 2 2 za, 3 3 za, 4 4 za. But you will take the one that is nearest one. 8 8 za, 64 and 9 9 za, 81. 10 10 za, 100. So which is the nearest one? Yes, obviously it is 9 9 za, 81. So you will take 9 9 za, 81. Subtract it, you will get 1 7. Now, in the first place over here, you will do the double of your initial digit, that is 9. The double of 9 is 18, and you will leave one space for the new number. That new number you have to put it just as the way you did in the previous one. So here what you are going to do is, first 17 cannot be divided by 18. So you have to do is bring the second group down. Group means, I mean it, both the digits will come down. So it becomes 1701. Now here you can see that what is the last digit that you can keep so that you will get 1701. So you have to do trial and error method. First you have to think that here the ending digit is 1. So in this, one square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square. All these squares you will write down in front of you so that you are aware that the last digit ending with 1 is which one. So we have two digits, 1 as well as 9 ending with 1. So either 181 into 1, that is 181 answer itself, or you can write is 189 multiplied by 9. I again say both these numbers should always be the same. So here we put 189 9s are 1701. So 189 9s are 1701, and you get your answer 00. I know it is quite a bit difficult to understand, but as we move on to the next sums, you will be having a clear understanding about the long division method. Now we move on to the second sum. you have to find the square root of 54,756. Quite a large number, right? So it is not possible to do it with the prime factorization method. So here again we are going to do it with long division method. Now the first step is grouping the numbers from last. So here 56, 47 and 5. These are the two groups. Here you can see the grouping made. Now here the first group is 5. So here you have to take 1 ones are, 2 twos are, 3 threes are. For this one digit 5. 1 ones are 1, 2 twos are 4, 3 threes are 9. So which is the nearest one that comes before 5? That is 2 twos are. So here you will take 2 twos are 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Now here you will do the doubling of 2. That is 4. And you will leave one space empty. Which number you will put, that you have to think. First thing is you put the 4 7 down so that it becomes 147. Now here which number you will choose so that it is nearest to 147. So 41 ones are 41, 42 twos are 84, 43 threes are 129 and 44 fours are will be more than 147. So we are here going to take 43 threes are. So 43 threes are 129. Now subtract and get your answer. You will get 18. Now here this is a bigger sum. So when you want to keep the third digits over here, so the first one 4 remains as it is. But the new digit 3, it doubles into 6. Here 2 was doubling into 4. Here 4 remains the same, but 3 is doubling into 6. And there will be one space for the new digit. So what is that new digit that you are going to keep so that you get the answer 1856? Here you have to bring 56, that is the last group, down. So 1856. Here first you have to think from this one. 6 ending with 6, that is 4 and 6 both. These are the two numbers that ends with 6-digit number. So now it becomes easier for you to identify which can that be the last digit. Either 464 into 4 or 466 into 6. When you find this out, it is 1856. So this is our correct answer and these are our correct digits. So 464 multiplied by 4, we get 1856. Subtract and then write the answer. So your square root is 234. That is the quotient of the sum. Now we move to the next question. 10201. Again, the first thing is dividing the numbers into groups of 2. So 01 becomes first group, 02 becomes second group, and 1 becomes third group. Don't forget to divide it from the unit digits place you start. So here, the first one we have to solve is only 1. So 1 ones are 1, you get 0. Now the doubling of 1 is 2 and you keep one space empty for the next number. So here you will bring the 02 down. So here only 2 have to write. So the number you can write here is 0. Now how I will explain. 20 into 0 becomes 0. So we write 0. So minus 0, 0, 0. And the remaining is, when you do the subtraction, it becomes 2. Also bring the last group down, 0, 1. Now the 2 remains as it is. Doubling of 0 is done in the new place. But 0 ka double? 0. 0 into 2? 0. And the last digit you will keep the space empty. So what number you will keep at the last place so that you get 201? So it is quite obvious that 201 into 1 is 201. So here we keep 1 as well as here we keep 1. I again tell you, do not forget to keep these both digits same, because it is a square number. The last two numbers are always same over here. So the answer you get is 101. We move on to the next question. I hope now at least you are having some understanding for these sums. To find the square root of 20,449. So first you will divide the digit into group of 2, 49, 04 and 2. So first you will solve for only the first group, that is 2. So 1 ones are 1. Subtract and get the answer 1. Bring this group down, 04. Now here you will keep is the double of 1, that is 2. Now what digit you will keep over here so that you will get answer nearer to 104. So 24 4s are 96. 25 5s is 125, that is bigger than 104. And 23 3s are 69. So that is quite smaller. So we will take 24 4s are. So here subtract and get the answer. You will get 104 minus 96 as 8. Bring the second group down, 49. So it becomes 849. Now the first digit 2, it will remain same, but the 24 is going to get the double, means here the 4 one. The last digit is 4. So double of 4 is 8. And the last digit over here that you have to think, what will you keep so that you will get 849. So the squares ending with 9 are 3 as well as 7. The square of 3 is 9. Square of 7 is 49. So here you will do the trial and error method. 283 3s are and 287 7s are. But you will get your answer 849 in 283 3s are. So here you will keep 3 as well as here you will keep 283 3s are 849. Subtract and get your answer. So the square root is 143. Now we move on to the next question. In this question, it is bit different from the previous ones. In this question, you are supposed to find the square root of 29241. The methods remains the same. But there is a minor difference over here that I am going to tell you while doing the sum. Again, recall the first step is grouping into 2, 41, 92 and 2. So here first you will solve for only 2. So 1 ones are 1. 1 remains. Bring the second group down, 92. Here double of 1 is 2. Now you have to think of a number that is nearer to 192. So 21 ones are 21. 22 twos are 44, 23 threes are 69, 24 fours are 25 fives are 26 sixes are, all those are smaller, but 27 sevens are, we get 189. That is the nearest to 192. So 27 sevens are 189. Subtract and you will get 341. Now, in previous sum, the slight difference in this sum, now it is here now. In previous sum, what we used to do is this number we used to keep as it is, and the second number we used to double it. So here the double of 7 is 14. So you keep the carry forward 1 over here and 4 down. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 digit remains empty. That you have to think, what will you keep so that you get 341. So it is here simple, 341 ones are 341. When the second digit is bigger, I again explain, when the second digit is bigger 1, then you will do double, and if it goes after 10, you will keep the carry forward on the first digit and addition and then get the answer. So here you will get 341 minus 341 is 0. In the square root, answer is 171. I hope you understand all the concepts of long division method. So solve the exercise, keep repeating the sums, do more practice, and you will have the concepts clear in your mind. These sums are very, very important ones. It carries of 4 marks. So here I say thank you for watching the video, and if you have any doubt then you can definitely ask me. So bye bye.